I find that a lot of people get stressed out because they're trying to follow a recipe. But if you understand the basics of food and you understand the methods, so you understand that when you're making a cake, you're creaming together your butter and your sugar, and you know that there's flour, and you know that there's eggs, and you know that there's a little bit of vanilla, then you can think about what could go in there that could make it my own. Is it sprinkles? Am I adding chocolate chips? Am I doing a different flavored icing? Once you get comfortable with the method of cooking and you get an understanding of what goes with what, you can then kind of relax and you can enjoy the process. And I think that that's so important when it comes to culinary, because once you have that understanding, you're able to really dive in, and for me, it's very therapeutic. I do get to recipe test and make really fun creations. That's a really fun part of my job. I just kind of get lost creating, and I just really enjoy the steps of creating something delicious that someone else is going to eat.